Hi there. In this lesson, we'll write a simple JavaScript program using classes and inheritance to represent books. We'll create a book class for standard details and then extend it with an ebook class that includes price and overrides a method. This is a clean and beginner-friendly example of method overriding and inheritance in JavaScript. Let's jump right in it. In this problem, we'll define a book class that stores title, author, and publication year. We'll then create an ebook subclass that adds a price property and customizes the display logic. We'll create an instance and use the overridden method to display all details. This is the full code structure. The book class has three properties and a method to display its details. The ebook class extends book and adds the price property. We override the display details method and call the parent version using super display details. Then we display the price. This is a great example of inheritance and method reuse. Here's the breakdown. We start with a basic book structure, then enrich it in the ebook class. By calling super display details inside the override, we maintain the base display logic and add ebook specific data like price. This is a textbook example of code reuse through inheritance. Let's look at the output. When we create an instance of ebook using Don Quixote, it shows all the inherited properties from book along with the additional price. The overridden method cleanly appends this extra detail exactly how we want it. The structure mirrors real-world use cases, especially in publishing platforms and e-commerce systems. It is also a great way to demonstrate how object-oriented techniques simplify and scale functionality, especially in front-end and back-end systems. In summary, we've created a flexible class system to represent book data. The ebook subclass extended the functionality while reusing and enhancing the base display method. This pattern is ideal for managing shared behavior with specialized tweaks. Clean, efficient, and scalable. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.